case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A captivating legal battle ensued in 2010 as DaimlerChrysler Financial Services Americas, LLC, and the Joneses brought their case before the United States Court of Appeals for the Fourth Circuit. The crux of the dispute? The controversial question of whether a creditor can repossess property without breaching an unenforceable loan agreement clause if the debtor fails to abide by certain sections of the Bankruptcy Abuse Prevention and Consumer Protection Act of 2005, BAPCPA. The grounds for this high-stakes argument were set when the Joneses failed to adhere to their contractual agreement with DaimlerChrysler following their bankruptcy. The contract for their car purchase included a provision that if they filed for bankruptcy or such a suit was opened against them, they would be considered in default. After filing for bankruptcy, Mr. Jones did not redeem the car, nor did he enter into a reaffirmation agreement with DaimlerChrysler within the 45-day grace period. Employing the rights granted by the contract, DaimlerChrysler seized the car. The litigation's trajectory took a sharp turn when the initial bankruptcy court returned the car to the Joneses. The district court, however, reversed this decision and upheld DaimlerChrysler's right to repossess the car based on prevailing bankruptcy laws. The Joneses challenged this decision, asserting that DaimlerChrysler forfeited the default by accepting a singular payment before the finalization of bankruptcy proceedings. The court, however, found no substantial evidence supporting this claim and thus upheld DaimlerChrysler's right. The court's verdict in DaimlerChrysler's favor hinged on the Joneses' inaction in settling the default and the consequent lack of obligation on DaimlerChrysler's part to issue a notice. Furthermore, no credible evidence seemed to suggest that DaimlerChrysler intended to renounce this right. Ultimately, the scales of justice tilted toward DaimlerChrysler, dealing a crushing blow to the Joneses' appeal.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.